This red waterfall looks like Antarctica is bleeding. This island looks like it belongs on another planet. And this underwater waterfall shouldn't even be possible. Every place in this video is completely real. Earth has places so strange, they look digitally created. Some of them confuse scientists for years. Hidden deep in one of the coldest places on Earth, Blood Falls pours bright red water out of a glacier. And no, it's not algae. It's not pollution either. The water has been trapped beneath the glacier for millions of years, completely cut off from oxygen. But when the iron-rich water finally reaches the surface, it rusts, which makes Antarctica look like it has an open wound. But this next place looks even less possible. Near the island of Mauritius, massive currents push sand and silt over an underwater cliff. And from above, it creates the illusion of a giant underwater waterfall. Here's the crazy part. People thought these photos were edited when they first appeared online, because our brains literally aren't used to seeing the ocean behave like this. The next place looks like someone accidentally poured paint into a lake. This lake is naturally bright pink, and scientists still debate exactly why it keeps its color. Lake Hillier in Australia stays bubblegum pink all year round, even when you put the water in a bottle. Researchers believe the color comes from microorganisms and salt-loving algae, but honestly, it looks more like something from another planet. And now we're going somewhere that completely erases the horizon. This might be the closest thing Earth has to a real-life mirror world. Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia is the largest salt flat on the planet. But after it rains, a thin layer of water turns the ground into a perfect reflection of the sky. The horizon disappears completely, and for a moment, it becomes impossible to tell where Earth ends and the sky begins. If someone told you this island was on another planet, you'd probably believe them. Socotra Island has some of the strangest plants on Earth, including dragon blood trees, which look like giant upside-down umbrellas. Some of the plants here evolved in isolation for millions of years, which means over a third of its species exist nowhere else on the planet. And honestly, parts of the island barely even look real. But the final place was so unreal, it inspired one of the biggest movies ever made. These mountains look like they're floating. Zhangjiajie in China is filled with massive stone pillars that rise straight into the clouds. Some towers reach over 3,000 feet high, and when fog covers the ground, they almost look suspended in the sky, which is exactly why they inspired the floating mountains in Avatar. And the craziest part is, these aren't even the strangest things on Earth, like a shrimp's heart being inside its head. So if you want to see more intriguing videos, make sure to like and subscribe.